Be ready. Start. Staff is increased. Ticketless travel will go down provided that you make it worthwhile for the railway staff to carry out their duties. Stop. I say that some reward should be given to those members of the checking staff who successfully launch prosecutions against ticketless travelers. Stop. I think, sir, if they have a prospect held out to them that in case they are able to catch ticketless travelers, they will be given some reward, they will be more active. Stanza. Then, sir, there is no room for self-complacency so far as our second class travelling facilities are concerned. Stop. I gratefully recognize that the railway minister is doing his best, but I think that this can be improved and should be improved. Stop. There should be more Janta trains for second class passengers. Stop. I find, sir, that there is going to be a provision for more fans for first class passengers. Stop. Well, I do not grudge that facility to the first class passengers, but I would like more facilities to be given to our second class passengers because it is they who contribute most of their revenues. Stop. It is heart-rending to see our overcrowded trains, and we anticipate that there will be an increase in our railway traffic. Stop. As a matter of fact, I think that when our women get fully emancipated, they will be traveling much more in our railways than they are doing today. Stop. You go and see the western countries. Stop. There you find that the greater number of passengers are represented by women. Stop. It is not so in this country. Stanza. I would say one or two words about catering in our railways. Stop. I am not one of those who wish to be very critical of catering. Stop. I think the standard of catering is not bad. Stop. On the whole, it is fairly reasonable, but the number of waiters in our platforms requires to be greatly increased. Stop. I myself had ordered dinner at Delhi station and had gone without food. Stop. It is because the waiter is not able to bring food in time. Stop. This has happened several times. Stop. This needs to be looked into. Stop. At one time, we used to have a number of waiters running all over a station. Stop. That is not so now. Stop. The number has gone down. Stop. If the air-conditioned travelers and the first class passengers find it difficult to get food, much worse must be the case with the second class passengers. Stanza. A complaint which I have often heard from many second class passengers and many people of moderate income is that the charge per kg of luggage is too high. Full stop. Over.